This is my 1974 Porsche 911 that I bought for $500. Over the past 18 months, I've flipped this car on its side and cut out every bit of rust from underneath. Now there's only a few more rust holes to fix in the back seats, and then it's time to get this car running. I also just want to say a quick thank you to everybody who's liked the videos and subscribed. From the last video, I almost doubled in subscribers, so I really appreciate you guys. That being said, if you have any suggestions, please feel free to leave them down below. I may have made a grave mistake installing this latch without installing the cable. So right now I'm locked out of the front completely, but luckily I didn't install the rear hinges yet. So I think my plan is gonna be slightly raise up the rear, put some wood blocks in here, and I'm gonna have to like cave dive in there and undo that latch. I also don't want to bend this hood. Alright, round 2. This time I'm bringing tools with me. This sucks. There's no good way to do this. I literally just have to like jam myself in there. This is terrible. Ugh. Well, it's off. First thing I'm gonna do is install this latch so that that never happens again, because that was a terrible experience. Here is the wire that caused all those problems. Now that the core is back on the ground and the underbody is all solid, we have a few more rust holes to work on. There's also some rust here on the front cowl where the seal for the windshield failed. So I'm gonna start with this hole back here in between the two back seats. Alright, so I went ahead and just cut out a kind of outline of where I'm going to cut before I was rudely interrupted by this intruder. So now that all the rust is cut out and we're back to just solid metal, I'm gonna go ahead and flap disc this on both sides to make sure I get rid of all the surface rust. Now I gotta hit this with the grinder from the other side, which it's kind of in a tricky spot. I went ahead and pulled the deck lid back off just so I at least have a little bit of room here. Boom. It's not perfect, but I'll just make the piece of metal a little bit bigger than this so that I have some room to work with. Boom. Pretty good. Now put the bend in it, and then I'll use the Sharpie to mark the little spots I gotta trim out. So I went ahead and got the bends and got it trimmed up, and it's looking pretty good. So now I can go ahead and weld. She is all the way in here now. She just wants to help, I guess, German dog with the German car. It's definitely not pretty, but that's what this guy's for.